How to boil frozen chicken properly.
Welcome to today's video tutorial where we'll teach you how to boil frozen chicken to cook it properly. Boiling is a simple and healthy method to cook chicken, and it's even possible to cook it straight from the freezer. Let's get started.
Can you boil frozen chicken?
Yes, you absolutely can boil frozen chicken. It is important to note, however, that the cooking time will be longer than if you were boiling thawed chicken.
How long should you boil frozen chicken?
To cook frozen chicken properly, you'll need to boil it for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. The exact time may vary depending on the size and thickness of the chicken pieces. To ensure the chicken is cooked thoroughly, it's essential to check its internal temperature using a meat thermometer.
What is the safe internal temperature for cooked chicken?
The safe internal temperature for cooked chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Make sure the thermometer is inserted into the thickest part of the chicken without touching the bone, as this could give a false reading.
How to boil frozen chicken, step by step.
1. Fill a large pot with enough water to cover the frozen chicken pieces. 2. Add seasonings such as salt, pepper, and herbs to the water for extra flavor if desired. 3. Place the pot on the stove and bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. 4. Carefully add the frozen chicken to the boiling water using a slotted spoon or tongs. 5. Reduce the heat to medium and let the chicken simmer for 30 to 45 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. 6. Remove the chicken from the pot using a slotted spoon or tongs, and let it rest for a few minutes before cutting or serving. Now you know how to boil frozen chicken to cook it properly. Remember to always check the internal temperature to ensure the chicken is cooked thoroughly and safe to eat. Enjoy your delicious and tender boiled chicken.